Welcome students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is statistics. The chapter statistics you have already learnt in the lower class, that is in 7th as well as in 8th standard. We'll start with drawing of the graph, that is representation of the given data using graphical method. You have already learned how to draw a bar diagram and how to draw a joint bar diagram. Today we are going to learn how to draw a subdivided bar graph and a percentage bar graph. So first we'll see how to draw a subdivided bar graph. So here we have a table showing the production in quintal of wheat and jowar and the year in which the production had taken place. Now in the year 2010 you have got the production of wheat as 30 and jowar as 10. Similarly, they have given for the year 2011 as well as for the year 2012. So whenever you have to draw the subdivided bar graph, first thing what you have to do is you have to find out the total production of wheat and jowar. That is, you have to add 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40, and 35 plus 15 is equal to 50, and 48 plus 12 is equal to 60. So the first thing is find the total production of wheat and jowar in the table. Now this you have to represent on the graph. So when you are drawing a subdivided bar graph, first you are drawing the x-axis and the y-axis, and along the x-axis you are representing the year, and along the y-axis you have to represent the production in terms of quintals. Now whenever you are drawing the subdivided bar graph, see that you leave equal gap or the same gap between the bar that you are drawing or the rectangle that you are drawing. Now the first one, for the year 2010, the total production was 40. So the first thing what you have to do is draw the rectangle or this bar till 40. So you are completing the rectangle till 40. Then after completing the rectangle till 40, draw the production of wheat is 30 quintals. So at 30 you have to draw a line. So this line is dividing this rectangle into two parts. The part that is below represents the wheat and the part on the top represents the jowar. The same way, for the year 2011, the total production is 50 quintals. So first what you have to do is complete the bar or the rectangle till 50. After completing the rectangle, you have to divide this into two parts where the production of wheat is given as 35. So at 35 you have to draw a line. So this line which you have drawn at 35 is dividing the graph into two parts where the part below represents the wheat and on the top it represents the jowar. Now similarly, for the year 2012, you have got the total production as 60. So draw the bar or this rectangle till you reach 60. Till 60 you have to draw the bar or the rectangle. After that, the production of wheat is 48. So at 48 you will be drawing a line here. So this line is dividing this graph into production of wheat and production of jowar. Then after completing, so this completes drawing of the graph. After this you have to write the scale, that is on the y-axis. Whatever scale you are taking you have to write it here and then represent two boxes, and whatever design you are shown for wheat and jowar, that should be drawn in these two boxes, and write which represents wheat and which represents jowar. So this is very important because until and unless you write these boxes, you will not know which is wheat and jowar. So this completes the subdivided bar graph. Now we'll see how to draw the percentage bar graph. We have taken the same data here as we have taken for the subdivided bar graph. That is the production of wheat and production of jowar for the year 2010, 11 and 12. Now to draw the percentage bar graph, the first thing that you have to do is to convert either the production of wheat or the production of jowar in terms of percentage. So here in this table we have converted the production of wheat in terms of percentage. For that what we have to do is first you have to add the production of wheat and jowar, that is 30 plus 10, 35 plus 15 and 48 plus 12. To find the percentage of production of wheat for the year 2010, in the numerator take the production of wheat, that is 30, upon the total of the production of wheat and jowar, that is 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40, into 100, so which is equal to 75%. Now to find the production of wheat for the year 2011, it is 35, that is the production of wheat, upon the total production 50 into 100, which is equal to 70%. And the production of wheat for the year 2012 is 48 upon 60 into 100, which is equal to 80%. So like this, convert all the production of wheat for the different years in terms of percentage. Now to draw the percentage bar graph, you are drawing the x-axis and y-axis, and along the x-axis you are taking the year, and along the y-axis you are taking the percentage of production of the wheat and jowar. Now here, whenever you are drawing the graph, as you are done for the subdivided bar graph, see that you leave equal gap between each bar or the rectangle that you are drawing. Now in the percentage bar graph, take the values that is till 100. So whenever you are drawing the percentage bar graph, the values has to be taken till 100. That is, on y-axis you are taking 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. So you will be taking till 100 since it is the percentage bar graph. Now for the year, for all the years, the bar you have to draw till 100, or the rectangle you have to draw till 100. For all the years you have to complete the rectangle till 100. Then the percentage of production for the year 2010 is 75%. So at 75% you have to draw a line. So this line is dividing this percentage bar as wheat and jowar. So wheat, all the wheat you are representing the below portion, and the jowar represents the above portion. Now in the second bar you have got 70%. So at 70 you are going to draw a line which divides this percentage graph into wheat and jowar. The same way, the last one you have got 80%. So at 80% you are drawing a line. So show the percentage of production of wheat and jowar by different designs on the top and below. After that you have to draw this and write the scale. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. Along with that you have to draw two boxes representing designs in each which represents wheat and jowar. So this is important because until you write this you do not know which portion represents wheat and which portion represents the jowar. So the design that you have taken for the wheat, you are going to draw it in this box, and the design that you have drawn for jowar in this box, and then write wheat and jowar for the different designs you have taken, and this completes the percentage graph.